Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to install these lights that my friend just gave me. He was going to junk it and he just gave it to me, so I'm going to be installing these free lights. They're not anything special, but yeah, I'll show you guys. And I just found this baby too. Somebody left this baby on my doorstep. Oh my god, there's a chick right there eating a banana. Oh my god, my friend was just about to throw these away. And he said, you know, do you want these? I said, you know what? I mean, if you're giving them out for free, I'll take them. Damn. Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to install these lights that my friend just gave me. He just had them lying around. He said, you know, just take them off my hands. So I'm going to install them on this car that I just got for free. One of my friends had the car. He was gonna junk it, and he just gave it to me. So I'm going to be installing these free lights. They're not anything special, but yeah, I'll show you guys. This is the car my friend was about to junk, and he just gave it to me. And it had these lights on there. So I'm gonna be changing them out. And I just found this baby too. This baby somebody left this baby on my doorstep. Oh my god, there's a chick right there eating a banana. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey baby. Hey. Can you help me with these lights? Maybe? Okay. What does that mean? Okay. So here's the lights here. Again, my friend was just about to throw these away. And he said, you know, do you want these? I said, you know what? I mean, if you're giving them out for free, I'll take them. But yeah, let's see how they look. All right. So look, they're clear lights. So see, they look like there's nothing on there. Haha, just kidding. Thank you. I got a good audience here. No, so we've taken them off now. And yeah, we're just gonna wire it up. These are gonna be the reverse lights, and then you can utilize everything else. Yay. Got the two brackets installed. They face outwards, if you're wondering. And they just screw in like that. Pretty cool. Centerpiece is on. Lock is on. Extended lock right there. Boom. And then let's finish this install up. Done. Damn. They match my license plate too. Okay, let it go. So I just wanted to show you guys how it looks in the nighttime. Go for it. Press it back and forth. Yeah.
So these are the lenses. They're in good shape. They still need to be sanded, wet sanded or sanded. As you know, they get a black paint around the edge. And then some people actually do the silver on the inside where this is. But you probably know that already. Some people are just installing this like it is, and I'm like, no, man, it's actually still need to be painted. These are raw lenses. They are UV protected, but once you put the black paint and you put the clear, that's when you get the real good result, man. All right, take it easy.
All right, so let me try to give you my experience and feedback. So very scary project, because you know, Kouki Taillights, if you're buying a set, they're like $1,200. If you mess it up, that's a lot of money wasted. If you buy the clear lenses, you're looking at about $400 to $500 on top of that. Then all the other materials you need. And then if you pay somebody to do it, you're looking at about $200 up to $500 for them to bake your lights and then to paint and clear your lights. I personally did it myself because I can't, that's just too much money. My recommendations, what I did, what worked for me was baking the lights at 200 to 250 degrees. Don't go above that. I started off for putting them in there for about 5 minutes. After that, I would try to, pry it out using one of those plastic tools, not the screwdriver, because that could break the lens. And then another thing a lot of people are saying is, remove the old glue and then, put your new sealant. I personally think that's a waste of time. I just reused the same glue. I warmed it up and I just shoved the new clear lens in there. It worked for me. And it's clean, it's easy, saves you time. And then I used gloss black on the outside, and I did not use clear coat because sometimes that could mess everything up. It might not bond and cause some issues. So I polished the clear lens. That's what I did. Worked for me. Just a word of advice: if you're looking to do this, start with the left Kouki first, because I guess Toyota still makes the left Kouki and they're like $150. So start with the left one. If you mess it up, at least you have a replacement one, and then you can gain that experience and do the right side. I hope this video helped. Please, like, subscribe, give a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions, anything like that. And also my Instagram is Mr. Phase 2 or MR Phase 2. And I hope to see you on the road.
I was only falling in love.